In this video, we are going to learn about what is React and the benefits of using React. I am Priyanka and welcome to the channel Coding Leader. What is React? React is a JavaScript library and one of the most popular libraries. React is not a framework. Unlike Angular, React is not a framework, it is a JavaScript library. React is an open source project created by Facebook. React is used to build user interface on the front end. React is the view layer of an MVC application. One of the most important aspects of React is you can create components which are like custom, reusable HTML elements to quickly and efficiently build user interface. However, React is only concerned with rendering the data to the DOM, and so creating React application usually requires the use of additional libraries for state management and routing. React is also known as React.js and React.js. Benefits of using React. First, easy to learn, easy to use. React is easy to learn and easy to use and comes with a good supply of documentation, tutorials and training resources. Anyone who comes from a JavaScript background can understand and start using React in a few days. For the documentation, you can use reactjs.org. Here you will get all the documentation and the tutorials. All the terms are covered in this documentation. Now the second benefit is reusable components. React is based on components. Each component has its own logic and control its own rendering and can be reused wherever you need them. Code reuse helps us to make our app easier to develop and easier to maintain. They also help you implement a consistent look and feel across the whole project. This may be a short description, but using components provides a large advantage in our development efforts. The third one is the virtual DOM. In React, new changes are first performed on the virtual DOM, which lives in memory and not on your screen. An algorithm then determines the changes made to the virtual DOM and then applies only those changes to the real DOM. This guarantees a minimum update time to the real DOM, providing higher performance and a cleaner user experience all around. We will learn in details in our upcoming videos. Fourth one, great developer tools. React is well covered in terms of design and debugging tools. React Developers tool available for Chrome and Firefox is a browser extension for React. It allows you to inspect the React component hierarchy in the virtual DOM. You can select individual components and examine and edit their current properties and state. Fifth one, it's easier to write with JSX. The benefit of JSX for templating over regular JavaScript, including optimized code, type safety, and quicker creation of templates. This is about React. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe the channel.